What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video of this trading, this strategy that I'm gonna teach y'all. And today we're gonna show you guys support and resistance. Support and resistance, just resistance are roofs, support are floors. Just keep it simple as that. I'm gonna just put it on the screen. Resist and support. Think about it like think about it like every time Think about it like a ball. When a ball hits a roof, it bounces down. And then support, think about it like when a ball is bouncing down, it goes up, you know? But I'm uh I'm gonna just get into it. So pretty much the trade we had took like the other day absolutely went crazy. Obviously, remember we had these daily highs and we absolutely broke to the last daily high right here. The peak, and it's looking like it's ready to run up another more pibs and more money, right? So I'm gonna just get straight into it. So pretty much to find resistance in I'm gonna just keep it super simple. You wanna go to the line chart, you wanna look for peaks. This is this is resistance. This is some resistance right here. This is some resistance right here. And those are roofs. Another resistance right here, or another roof. Pretty easy, right? And then I'm gonna just keep it dummy simple just 'cause I don't want y'all to overcomplicate shit 'cause it's really just drawing and just doing and just seeing. Boom, you get a box, you get one of these this box right here. You make it the size of the candle, right? Boom, you drag it out. Ri Usually when there's a break of structure, it did break structure right here because it is a candle and then a closed candle. Remember, a clean break of structure is not a candle that just closes like this. It's a candle that closes above and closes like above it, not while it's at it, you know? You want to close it like right here, right? That's a break of structure. This is the candle that decided if it was a break of structure. If it would have been a red candle, invalid. If it would have been red, it would have never been a break of structure. It needs to close a green candle to be a break of structure if it's downtrending. And then, you know. So you saw that right here, how this roof turned into a floor. It got inversed. So boom, boom, boom. You guys see that, right? Right? So, Brian, how can I find these candles? What time frames do I look at? I always say 1 to 4 hours, 1 to 4 hours. I don't like going lower than that. Probably 30 minutes if you want to get an exact candle, but if you want to keep it super simple, you feel me? Just for, yeah, just keep it super simple. I'm not even gonna explain nothing. Look, this is another roof. Look, another roof. Look at that. It got inversed as well. You see how just the market just plays itself out? Because this was a roof. It did reject off the roof. It broke the roof and then bounced off the roof. Like you guys see that, right? It's like a little bouncy ball. Bound, 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 breaks, go back to the same floor. Like think about it like I just broke my roof. I just broke through my roof. Now I'm like standing over my roof. You get me? So that's pretty much like what support and resistance is. I don't gotta like really go into depth. I'm gonna go into another pair where I can show you a bearish market, right? So this is a bearish market. We gotta see right here. Uh-huh. We got some, we got the daily range looking like right here. Another, um, right here. So we have this little range right here. We see if the market is bearish or bullish. So higher high. Mhm, mhm, mhm. So this is the last low right here. broke under on this candle, sweep this low, came back up, came back up. This was a floor that turned, guess what? This was a floor that turned into a roof. If you guys don't see it, look at that. It literally went, it literally bounced off the floor first, broke the floor, bounced off the floor like a roof, and then just flushed. You guys see it, right? I'm not tripping, right? And this is another one right here. You guys are starting to catch it like all the time. Look, another floor that's looking like is gonna be a roof. Look what it's doing. Bouncing off the roof. Now is looking like it's gonna go to the daily the daily the daily range of these two candles. And this would be another good trade, I'm not gonna lie. Just for what it is, I would like I'll put a little cell right here, put it above the zone like this, and just keep it like that. That's pretty much like what support and resistance is. I'm gonna put one of the videos of my friend, the one that I taught this to, he's better at explaining. I just like keeping it super simple on what it is. And another way for you to look at it another way, if you want to find floors, you want to look for these little slopes right here, like little V's, little V right here. Little V. You see how I just brought it out? Little V, broke through it, and you see how it bounced. Now it's bouncing. Now it's gonna go lower. I'm gonna just keep that video as that. That's pretty much support and resistance, like dummy version. And I'm not a very good explainer. I'm not gonna explain something that's not supposed to be over explained. And yeah, that's pretty much support and resistance.